this is the pin diagram of 8051. In the pin diagram of 8051, it is having DPTR pin. The DPTR, it is a 16-bit register. It is used to have two 8-bit register DPS DPL, and the program counter register, it is of 16-bit wide. Then PC incrementer is used to give the next address which is to be executed. Then SPUF registers, it is 8-bit wide registers used in serial communication both for transmission as well as reception. Program address registers are 16-bit wide registers. It is used to address the program memory. ROM is an 4K on-chip ROM memory is 4K, can be addressed by ROM address registers. RAM is used to implement data memory. On-chip RAM size is 128 or 256 bytes. It is divided into two equal parts of 128 bytes. Special function registers also available in the 128-bit registers. Then RAM address registers, it is input output ports. 4 input output ports are available: P0, P1, P2, P3. It is of 8 pin each, having totally 32 bit is an input output ports. And latches, 4 latches for 4 ports. Latches is having the values of port values allotted for the ports. It can be accessed using the address allotted to them. Then instruction register decodes the opcode of an instruction to be executed and gives the timing and control for the system. And timing and control unit derives the timing and control signals required for internal operations of the circuit. Also derives the control signals required for the controlling external bus operation. Then on-chip oscillator generates the clock pulse required for the internal operation of the circuit. Generates the clock signals using crystal oscillator. Works with 1 MHz to 12 MHz frequency depending on the variant of 8051. External oscillator. External oscillators, it completes the feedback path for the internal oscillators. It can be connected using the pins XTA1L1 and the XTAL2. The two crystal pins are used here to give the external oscillators. Then power supply. Power supply works on the 5-volt VCC and the ground pin. The dedicated pins of pin 20 and 40s are available for the supply and ground. Then capacitor, it's 33 pin 2 capacitors available. It is the output of the crystal oscillators. This mainly shows the it is a 40 pin package. 8051 is a 40 pin package. It mainly shows the pin diagram of 8051. Port 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. Start from the 0 till 7. Port 1 is available. Totally 8 pins are here. Then 10th pin is PS power supply 0 and 11th pin is power supply 1. It is integrated with the read RXT pin and the transmit pin DXT. And the power supply 2, power supply 3, power supply 4. For a third port, port 3.0, port 3.1, port 3.2, port 3.3 till port 3.7 also available. Totally 8 pins are available for port 3. It is multi-function with the read RXT pins and DXT pins, INT 0 pin, INT 1 pin, T0 pin, T1 pin, read bar pin and write bar pin. Then the two crystals, XTAL1, XTAL2 is available. Then the ground pin 20 is available. Then 21th pin is port 2 pin. In the port 2 pin, totally 8 pins are available. Start from the port 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7. Totally 8 port pins are available. Then power supply enable PSEN, power supply enable pin available in the 29th. Then ALE/program, address latch enable program available as a 30th pin. Then 31st pin EA/VPP. Then start from the 32nd pin to 39th pin. Port 0 of 8 pins are available. Port 0, port 1, port 2, port 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. Totally 8 port pins are available. It is multifunction with the AD NOT, AD1, AD2, AD3, AD4, AD5, AD6, AD7. It is multifunction with the address latch pins. So it is finally supply is VCC. So it is a 40 pin package. Totally 40 pins are available. This that's what about the 8051 pin diagram. Thank you everyone. Thank you.